Hello, peaceful crowns. Who's tired of having a dry, ugly, boring mini braids? Me. I don't know about you, but I'm guessing you're also tired. Look, girls, I am tired of having my braids dry and boring. Now it's time to change the game. Now it's time to be versatile, and thankfully, we have a beautiful hair that can do that. That's one of the beauty of Afro hair that I love. So we are changing the game. We are going to make fluffy. Yes, you heard me right. Fluffy, bouncy mini braids, and not just the regular, tight, dry, ugly, boring mini braids. So I'm going to be teaching you in this video how to get your mini braids bouncing and fluffy like this. Yes, in less than 2 hours. I mean, you girls know that I always teach you guys how to make very fast, very quick hairstyles. So in today's video, we're doing just like that. The psalm of today is, thou hast set a bound that they may not pass over, that they turn not again to cover the earth. Psalm 104 verse 9. Welcome to the video properly. I want to say welcome. And you guys know we always start by washing and moisturizing our hair. Do all the checks. Make sure your hair is moisturized, very moisturized. You want to do that, and do not do this hairstyle on a dirty hair. Yeah, the aim is to have a protective hairstyle. So if your hair is dirty, what are you protecting? First things first, you're gonna spray water because we need water, and then I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner. So as we proceed, I'm going to be teaching you what to do, but just make sure that you section your hair to the right, the right section you want to work with. For me, this section is okay for me. I like it not too big and not too small. You're going to start by spraying the little water, then applying leave-in conditioner and start braiding. You girls, start braiding. Yes, make it tight at the beginning. Make 6 to 10 braids like we always do. Then as you proceed, you begin to loosen your hands. Look at it, girls, look at it. Take a look. I made it as close as I can. Lose that hand. Do not be stiff. Flex your muscles. Lose the hand. Yes, and when you get to the end of the braid, you want to make it tight. You want to make it tight to secure it so that it doesn't lose. You girls, when you release these braids, oh my gosh, it's going to bounce. It is going to bounce. It's going to be fluffy. Mini braids do not even bounce, but you girls, look at this. Isn't it fluffy? It's very loose and fluffy. The first one I did didn't turn out well, but I quickly made adjustments and voila, it looks amazing. So that's basically what we'll be doing. As we proceed, I'm going to be showing you what to do. Now we are done with the first line. Let's head over to continue braiding. I get to the front again and I'm repeating the same process. Yeah, make sure you braid very tight at the beginning, then you loosen your hand. Make it as loose as you can. As you can see in this video, I was even scared of making it loose. I thought it wouldn't look good, but girls, I've seen people who made theirs very loose and it turned out very good. So make sure you're making it very loose. Then when you are done, you tighten it at the end, and that's it. Very simple. If you're watching this video at this time, then it means that you love this video. So go ahead and like this video. Everybody watching this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, share this video to other girls out there to support me. It helps with the algorithm, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Also, I have this WhatsApp community where I share hair goals and some tips for the girls. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. Make sure to join. I cannot wait to have you there. Yeah. This is how our braids are looking at this point. Very beautiful and fluffy. I decided to switch things a bit, and I decided to do some cornrows at the front. Why not? You can just switch it up here. I decided to do some tiny cornrows at the front. And basically, all I'm doing is making sure that I make cornrows first of all. Then when I get to the end, I do fluffy braids. As simple as that. Very easy, you girls. Very easy. That's basically what I'm doing. I love to make this hairstyle. As soon as I discovered how to make this hairstyle, I started doing it instead of the regular mini braids, because the regular mini braids, they're so stiff, and usually you can't even style them. Yeah, you can't style them. They give no volume. And girls, I love volume. I love my hair in all its volume. I believe you also do that. You also loved that too. So that's why this hairstyle came into my mind. Just make sure you do as I am doing in this video. spray some water. Do not be scared of water. Spray some water at first, then you go ahead to use your leave-in conditioner, and then you braid. When you get to the end, you can now lighten it, but tighten it a bit. Also, you can seal your moisture with hair butter or hair oil. Remember, we sprayed with water and leave-in conditioner, so you want to seal that moisture with some hair butter and hair oil when you get to the tip of your hair. And that's it. Very, very simple. If you watched this video to this point, girl, you love this video, do not forget to like this video. Give this video a like. I'm reminding you so that you do not forget. Ask me any questions in the comment section and I will be willing to answer you. Also, let me know if there's any hairstyle you would like to see me make so that you can learn from it. I am open to all videos. This is how far we've gone, and I'm just gonna go ahead to finish it up. Yeah, look at your girl looking all good, you girl. So I'm so excited because this is what it looks right now, and your hair too can look like this. At this point, I'm just massaging with hair oil and hair butter, like I've said earlier. Make sure to just seal up that moisture with hair oil and hair butter, and that's it. We are done for today. If you love this video, you will love to watch the next video that I'm going to be linking up, that's about fluffy twists and fluffy braids. Make sure to go through my channel and watch other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Bye. Love you, girls.